Good morning and welcome to your pre-market report for Monday, 17th November, 2025. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. On Friday, the S&P 500 ended nearly flat. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell about 0.7%, and the Nasdaq Composite gained 0.13% as markets rebounded modestly from early losses. The move was driven by concerns over a possible delay in a rate cut by the Federal Reserve, elevated valuations in major tech stocks, and investors awaiting key earnings and economic data. Asian equities opened with mixed to slightly lower performance, as investors remained cautious ahead of key U.S. economic data and major corporate earnings. The Kospi showed good gains while the Nikkei and Seng trades in the red. GIFT Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. are trading with a positive bias, indicating a flat to positive open for the Indian markets today. Crude oil futures and near-month contracts in India remain under pressure, indicating weak demand expectations despite supply concerns. Gold prices edged higher as investors await key U.S. economic data and its implications for the Federal Reserve rate path. Nippon AMC enters into a strategic partnership with Germany's DWS Group, with DWS planning to take a approximately 40% stake in its AIF business. Narayana Hrudayalaya reported a strong Q2 FY26 with revenue at 1,643.8 crore, which was up 20.3% year-on-year, EBITDA at 426.5 crore up 28.3% year-on-year, and net profit rising to 258.3 crore up 29.6% year-on-year. Maruti Suzuki is recalling 39,506 units of its Grand Vitara, manufactured between 9 December 2024 and 29 April 2025, because the fuel level gauge and warning light in the speedometer may show incorrect readings. Support for Nifty lies in the 25,500 to 25,750 zone, while key resistance is around 26,000 to 26,100. A break above the latter could open a move toward 26,200 to 26,300, whereas failure to hold support may lead to a pullback. The Indian markets face risks from persistent FII outflows, elevated U.S. bond yields, and uncertainty around global growth and rate cut timelines, which could pressure sentiment and cap upside supportive DII inflows. Strong domestic Q2 earnings, and improving global risk sentiment, especially if U.S. macro data stabilizes, could act as positive triggers for market resilience and intraday recoveries. On Friday, FIIs were net sellers of about 4,968 crore rupees, while DIIs were net buyers of around 8,461 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on November 17, 2025. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.